Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So last year I made some Halloween tea light candle holders and I wanted to add to that collection. So I wanted to share with you guys the new air dry clay tea light candle holders that I made for this year. For this first tea light candle holder, I'm going to make a bat. So grab a big chunk of clay and roll it into a ball. For all of these tea light candle holders, I'm going to do the pinch pot method. So stick your thumb into the middle of the clay and at the same time pinch the outside and move the clay around your hand to kind of make like a mini little pot. And I'm making sure to keep this round. Make sure your pinch pot is big enough to cover a tea light candle comfortably, and mine does. So now I'm going to add a little face to my bat, and I'm just going to do two little round eyes with like a little smiling mouth and little vampire teeth, and I'm using my needle tool to do this. I'm blending everything out with some water. This is how my little guy's looking like right now. So next I'm going to roll out some clay and I'm going to trace out bat wings. To attach the bat wing, I'm going to score the clay, and then I rolled a small coil of clay and I'm going to wrap it around the base of the bat wing and really press that clay onto the body of the bat and the wing. To help blend in that coil of clay, I'm going to use my modeling tool. To smooth everything out, I'm using some water. And there we go, we have our little bat wing attached, and I did the same thing to the other side, and then I'm going to let this little guy dry for like 2 days. For my next Halloween tea light candle holder, I'm going to make an eyeball. So once again, take a chunk of clay and roll it into a ball. Do the pinch pot method again and make it big enough to cover your tea light candle. I'm going to cut out a circle, and this is going to be for like the pupil of the eye. I'm smoothing this out with some water. Here I'm drawing little veins on the eye using my needle tool. And I'm also going to cut the little veins out, but I'm just making sure to keep them really thin. And so like when I stick a tea light candle in there, light should be able to come out of the veins, if that makes sense. Once again, I'm blending everything out with some water, and then I'm going back in with my needle tool to clean everything up. The little eye looks good, so I'm going to set this aside to dry. For my last tea light candle holder, I'm going to make a witch cauldron. So once again, grab some clay and roll it into a ball and do the pinch pot method. For this one, I'm going to keep the pot open upwards, and so I'm going to press down on it to kind of flatten out the bottom a little bit. Here I'm scraping out some of that extra clay in there, and I'm making sure that my tea light candle can fit in there, and it does. So now I'm going to curve in the top a little bit. I'm rolling out a coil of clay, and then I'm placing it on top of the little pinch pot to give this its cauldron look. To blend out the coil of clay onto the little pinch pot, I'm using my modeling tool, and I'm only doing this on the inside of the cauldron. I'm smoothing everything out with some water. On the cauldron, I'm going to cut out a full moon and 2 crescent moons. Make sure to blend out everything with some water. Okay, this is looking good, so I'm going to set this aside to dry. Here are the Tealight candle holders dry, so I'm going to sand them and then paint. I'm adding some extra veins onto the eye. At first, I was painting on a pink iris, but it just kind of blended in with the red too much, so I changed it to green. I'm sealing all of these Tealight candle holders with Deco Art's triple thick gloss glaze. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys try one of these out and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!